I'm so hurt to think that you lied to me. I'm hurt way down deep inside of me. You said your love was true and we'd never, ever part. Now you want someone new, and it breaks my heart. I'm hurt much more, than you'll ever know. Yes, darling, I'm so hurt because I still love you so. But even though you hurt me,